Alright, so instead this would be fourth installment for this video and correction for this file. So we would resume on this part. So I think this one, as I have mentioned in the last video, as far as I know, this would be removed. Should be marked as red because it contains the ESO prefix. The next two would be okay. As per inspection, the next one would be in red because it contains key and this top prefix should not be present anymore. That one is also good. Mark as green as well. And this one as well as this one should be marked as red because they contain the stuff, which as you have instructed us on those past videos that they should no longer contain such words or prefix or whatever you call it, word top on it. So yeah, for this one I'm not quite sure if this is correct, but I think it needs some verification on Google. So yes, we should drop it down on Google's search engine capability. So there we have it. I don't know if it's missing a zero or having zero. Okay, so this is valid or legit. Alright, for the next batches which are uncolored, I think they should be, excuse me for that, they should be marked as green because as per inspection, they are all relating to, or as the group has suggested, they are all under Windows Media Repair, so they should be marked as green, but I would still color them green for a while so I can check them one by one just to make sure no one has left for no entry has left. I mean, so this one also relating to Windows Media Repair. Alright, for this one, AC 1ST15 ADL, this is quite familiar because I already encountered this one. The 15 and the 16, so they should be marked as green because they're all okay. Alright, so we should just check and verify AC util 15, AC 416. Okay, so not really only confident as far as I know. AI can. Okay, so this one I think should be marked as green. Oh, just serve, yes. This is quite familiar for me also. I have encountered these files, I mean these filings before. So we should just check and verify. So do reserve service, yes. Scanreg.exe. Scanreg.exe. Yes, I think this is the checklist or the built-in component of Windows. I'm not quite sure for this one. Scanreg W. Scanreg. Alright, Scanreg. So yes. Okay, so Scanreg.exe. As per inspection, the one this file contains W on it, and the one doesn't have. So I don't know. We have to verify for this. Scan registry. So mark an X on it, so we can get back on it later on. Registry checks. So these are all pertaining to checking the registry of Windows. So they're all onto, of course, move out. Well, yeah, but as you have instructed listing, I should mark those if they are correct. Yes, mcbr80.dll is a very popular file, so mark as green. It's as usual, check on source if they are correct. Okay, q network4.dll. My first time, but I've encountered sounds like that. That is q44. Okay, so it is legit. VSSDK. MS. Okay, let me check. Wow. MS VCR80. So they are all 80. So good. They are good entry. Alright, so even OpenCL, BSSDK. So, well, I haven't encountered this one, so we should Still check it. Okay, good. Okay, OpenCL restore. Yeah, OpenCL. Yeah, I have recorded this one before already. Also for this XD3 audio. DLL device DLL recovery using DLL. Okay, they're good because they are too general. MSBCR task manager to DLL container DLL. Yeah, that is good. Background container dot DLL. Yeah, I've also experienced that one. I mean, I have it before. This is the one that's the last file I have. This. Well, yeah, okay. MFC 100U. Yes, I've also experienced. No, not experienced. I mean, I have already encountered this one. Yeah. Okay, so P-Cord 100 at DLL. This is seemingly okay. Seemingly valid. Just to make sure. Oops, sorry for this one. This is the file I'm checking. Okay, so another green on that one. Okay, so stop code 8EXP. These are the shortened form for this one. So yeah, stop should be removed. Mark it as red because it has a stop on it. So mark as green. Have B stream. So yes, I already got it. Alright, so we are now on 700 level. Okay, so buffer overrun and this thing fix buffer overrun. Well, I was thinking, Mr. if I can also put a buffer overrun error in this thing, like one. This I think as per inspection, as per experience. Not sure because I'm just using the valve prediction. Yeah, out of buffer overrun, but not yet. Okay, so yes, okay, we should mark the screen because they're all on to move out. Oh, sorry, green because they're all good. Fixed buffer, which okay. Alright, so inspecting alone, I mean by true ocular inspection, this has a lot of currency. Even without googling it, you can see that this is a correct spelling of this file. So we get more than 10 entries on this one. They're all the same, so even I have not encountered that one, I can say that it is right. Okay, oops, sorry for this one. HPPC01 because there are only one instance for that, so we have to verify it still. Okay, that's good. CNFD, yes, I've already encountered that one before. Explore, repair, explore, support, alright, great. Runtime error 55, that is just easy. 55 and 6646. Code 646, yes, it's all good. Okay, remove field. These are all onto the Windows Vista updates. Okay, green again because they are all good. They are too general and they doesn't have a specific chemical. So even for this one, okay, so yes, that's predictable. So download core at DLL core video. Yes, I've recorded this one before. Should be marked as green as well. System core. Yes, this one. Data one cap is on file name. Hakun is data one that you just put data. So using the search, I mean the filter search, I think this should be simply as data one that can because there are only two occurrences of Hakun being as a error. Okay, data one that I think they should all contain the same spelling as well. Okay, deal copy as I recorded this one before. That is okay. Cap errors, yes, they are all cap errors, yes. I think this one should this extension because they are all under the just like with DLL, it's a file. That cub is also a file extension, so I think this one should just the cub. Motorola cable problem, yes, it's rather like most usages. Ah, yeah, sorry for that. Okay, that is good because they do not should they should not rest video 6 that cub. So I think we should verify this. So this one is a legit file. Going back to where we are, where we belong. Okay, so we are now at the end. Okay, so there we have. Okay, so these are all 120x800. As I can see, they're all okay, except for this one, which I think seemingly I mean, rather, has a missing zero in between. So the one has only two zeros after two. I mean, yes, the one. Oops. Okay, that was good. Yeah. Randy alternative that yes, these are valid file names. So missing Randy alternative downloads, Randy or error free repair. Okay, input the DLL, yes. Yes, this ABHO have been covered the one already. Kernel stock, yes, that's good. That's good. MS, that's quite familiar for me too. The one, the MS is 32. I've already encountered the one before. Call Judy. And also for this one, that is good. Okay, yes, culture MSO. I've already encountered this one before. Even this one, PRPNSP, which is an abbreviation for Windows Service. Well, I think for this one, you should have this file because it's an abbreviation for that one. There we have it. Mark it as green because it doesn't contain the ad group PNR PNSP. Because as per inspection, if we would Google it, this would show up the PNR ASP service. Yes, PS using PNR which stands for rather Pioneer Resolution Protocol. Alright, I've been covered this one, even this one is in RNR. Yes, there are two kinds of MSPCOs, the one that contains the M before it and the SPCOs only. Alright, so yeah, kinda good so far. Even type SPCO.exe. Alright, SPCO.exe. Alright, this is my first time to check on this one. Okay, this is valid too. Okay, these are all onto the downloading, so they should be marked as green because they are correct. BT3.exe is a downloaded component, so these are the file I've searched this one before already. So they are all valid. Error 1002, they just copy and paste it there, so I think we should still correct it. Okay, it's error 1002. Okay, as per inspection. Alright, they're good. Error 1007. Okay. Outlook VVA. I think this one should no longer contain the Outlook, but rather just the Outlook. I mean, just the VVA, not the only one is green. All the others are red because they contain the Outlook thing a while ago. That is good. Not valid. Yes. Okay. Yes, shell 32 is a valid file also. And the rest are all on to the move out, so they should be marked as green. And this one we should